Hello, my dear children. I am Sujeet with the topics in mathematics. Chapter's name is Polynomial, class 10th, the second chapter. I am trying to explain you exactly about the polynomial, although this concept is being given in class 9th also. Here, in more details, it is given in class 10th. So, here, the very first, I am trying to define what the polynomial is. I'll explain you about each and everything. If an expression of the form px a0 a1x a2x square dot dot plus an xn, where an not is equals to 0 is called a polynomial in one variable. Here, from class 9th only, although the types of polynomial it seemed, but we are dealing with the polynomial in one variable. So this is the expression a0 a1x plus a2x square dot 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 plus dot 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 this an x to the power n, where an not is equals to 0 is called a polynomial in one variable x of degree n, where a0 a1 a2 dot 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 an are the coefficients of x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2 and x to the power n. So dear children, would you need to keep it in the mind? How do you say? Here I have given the example of this is the example of quadratic polynomial, and this is not a polynomial because degree should be a whole number. Here it could be written a0 x to the power 0. It is not written x to the power 1, x to the power 2. So this is a order of the polynomial. So the polynomial would be written in this way. So this is something, a definition of the polynomial in one variable. It is a conventional definition. You can keep it in the mind. And this here it is of again I am repeating it. Px is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot plus anx to the power n, where an is not is equals to 0 is called a polynomial in one variable x. Here the variable is what? X. And what is the order it is being followed? a0 is the coefficient of x to the power 0, a1 is the coefficient of x, and a2 is the coefficient of x square, and an is the coefficient of x to the power sorry. Now this is something. Now here I am just trying to deal here what is very very important and which will help you to do the questions in coming exercise. Now polynomial px is equals to ax plus b of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Here dear children, although the various parts of the polynomial we are going to deal with, but here the polynomial we are going to deal with, it is very very important. We must see the degree of the variable. Here ax plus b, what is the degree of x? It is 1. So this is polynomial px is equals to ax plus b of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Just along with this definition, let me say you will deal with next the zeros of the polynomial. So if it has degree 1, it means it will have 1 0. Please keep it in mind. Next, a polynomial px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So what does it mean by it has a degree 2. Maximum degree we always dealing with. So here the degree is 2. So degree is 2, it means it will have 2 0. We need to look for what are the two zeros. If a polynomial px is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. It will have 3 zeros. Dear children, just you see here, this is very very important, and then next to this we'll talk about the zero of the polynomial. So linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. You can see as I defined polynomial here, the same trend is being followed here in this and this and in this. You see a0, here we have started with ax plus b. What is this? This is the x has a degree 1, ax plus b. Here ax square plus bx plus c. Here ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So you could see here the order. Here x to the power 1. Here the maximum degree is x to the power 1. So last is x0. Here this is x square, x is constant part. Here 3, 2, 1 constant part. So this is something that it is collaborated with the definition it is given you. This is all about this first video, and I am coming with the next in the zero of the polynomial.